Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5, does it looks the same. Now children, in this video we are going to see about 1/6 term on page number 85. Now children, what is 1/6 term? Now see children, this is hexagon figure and it is divided by 3 symmetrical lines. This one, this second and this is third symmetrical line. Okay, it is dividing the figure in how many parts children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 parts these symmetrical lines is dividing the figure. Now children, the one part from here till here, this is known as 1/6 part. Understood children? 1/6 part. And children, the distance from this till here, from here till here, it will be 2/6. It means 1/3 part. Okay children, understood this 1/6 part. Now children, practice time. Look at the following shapes and draw how they will look on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. Now children, first we will look for 1/3 turn. Now children, for finding this 1/3 turn, we have to divide this figure in 3 parts. See children, like this. If now from here till here, the rotation will be of 1/3 turn. Okay children. Now see, the outer triangles are same, but this inner inside there is triangle children, and the triangle looks same after 1/3 turn. So the figure will look same after 1/3 turn. Now children, here you see that this is circle and this is flower inside. Again I will divide this in 3 parts. See children, like this. It should be from the center. By using the scale you can have it. Now children, see. Again, if you will rotate this figure from here till here, and you will see that it will look the same after 1/3 turn. It will look very same children. Now children, here in this third figure, again there are 2 triangles and we know children that the triangle looks same after 1/3 turn. So this figure will look same as the original after 1/3 turn. So this will also look the same. Now children, this figure, again I will have 3 lines here so that the figure is divided in 3 parts. Now see children, the figure is divided here in 3 parts, and from here if it will move to here, it will look the same. See children, triangle is there inside forming, so triangle looks same after 1/3 turn, and the circles will look the same. So the figure will look same after 1/3 turn. Okay children, now let's see what happens in 1/6 turn. To find what happens in 1/6 turn, we will divide this figure by the 3 symmetrical lines. So let's divide it children. Now children, see, I have divided these figures in by 3 symmetrical lines to have the 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now children, if you will look at these vertex, it will come here after 1/6 turn. This inner side children, see this point. It is here, no? After 1/6 turn, it will come here. So this figure will not look the same. Okay children. Now if you look at this figure, this part will come here, this part will come here after 1/6 turn, but they are looking same. So this will look same after 1/6 turn. Even children, this figure will look same. See, in 1/6 rotation this part is coming here, but the shapes are same all over. So this part will look same. Now children, in this figure, this last one, if you see here, see in 1/6 turn, or in this 1/6 turn children, this circle will move to this side somewhat, isn't it? So this figure will not look the same. But one thing is there, that the figures that are looking same in 1/6 turn will definitely look same in 1/3 turn. Again I am repeating, children, that the figures that are looking same in 1/6 turn will definitely look the same in 1/3 turn. Now children, question number 2 on page number 86. Look at the following shapes. Find out which of these figures look the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with right, and which are the ones that will not look the same after 1/3 turn, and mark them with cross. Now children, here there are 3 circles. Here I have divided the figure in 3 equal parts. Now children, as the colors are different, there is no chance of looking same. So this will not look the same. So I am putting here cross. Now children, see, this would have looked same, but here one color is different, so it will also not look same. Now children, see in this figure, here after 1/3 rotation, children, this corner part will come here. So this will not also look the same because outer part is circle. So, and these are all in same color, but here it is pentagon, children. This is circle, but this green part there is pentagon, and after 1/3 rotation this vertex will come here somewhere, and so this figure will not look same after 1/3 turn. Now children, here in this figure both the outer part is triangle, inner part is also triangle, and triangle looks same after 1/3 turn. So this figure will look same as the colors are also same. Now children, here also we see that the colors are same and both are triangles, so they will look same after 1/3 turn. So this will also look the same. Now let's see about this figure, children. See, outer part is circle. Again there are 3 circles here, and if you divide it like this, children, see, then each part we are seeing that they are looking identical, isn't it? This is looking same, this is also looking same. So this figure will definitely look same after 1/3 turn. Now children, the next part, question number C, is try and change the shapes below in such a way that they look same on 1/3 turn. Now children, let me show you how this figure should be. What changes you have to make in this figure to look it same. Now children, in this figure, this is circle, there are 3 circles outside, this is also 3 in numbers, all are equal, but this one, children, this blue color circle, this should be here placed somewhere inside. It should be here, children, understood? So by painting you can remove this color, you have to color here yellow and you have to bring it here. Okay children, in this way. Okay, now children, in second figure, what are the changes that you have to make so that it will look the same on 1/3 turn? Now see children, here there is circle, no doubt these are also equal, but the colors are different, children. See, so what changes you have to make? You have to, the 3 colors should be same, children, green, green, green. This triangle should be of one color and this another triangle should be of one color. Okay children, so these colors you have to change here. Here if it is green, you have to make here green, and this also green, and here these 3 should be in blue color. Okay children, now children, what changes you will make in this figure so that it will look the same after 1/3 turn? Again children, inside there is circle and the outside the colors are different. So what you will do children, you will color it alternately by like this. See children, like this. One blue, brown, blue, brown, blue, brown, like this. You have to change the colors of this outer side. Now children, what changes you have to make in this figure so that it will look the same after 1/3 turn? So children, if you look at this triangle, there is no doubt, this is very clear. But if you look at this blue color triangle, you find that there is this part are bigger and this one is smaller. So to look it same, we have to make it somewhat like this, children, and color it. By blue color you have to color it so that it will look the same after 1/3 turn, because this was smaller, children. This triangle was smaller than these two, comparing these two, so you have to make it bigger. Now children, what changes you have to make in this figure? See, this outer part is okay, this black color part is okay, this white color part is also okay, this circle is also okay, but this circle, yellow color circle should be placed here inside. Okay children, and you have to color it yellow. Okay. Now children, the next question is, draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. So there are many shapes that you can show children which will look same after 1/3 turn. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now children, now draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. So circle will look same after 1/6 turn. So you can have a circle with the 6 parts children. 1, 2, 3 symmetrical lines, and it will look the same. Even hexagon you can have children. Hexagon will also look the same after 1/6 turn. This 1, 2 and 3 parts. So, and children, these are the two figures that will look same after 1/6 turn. Now children, you have to solve this exercise in your classwork notebook. All these figures you have to draw in your classwork notebook, showing the figures how they will look after 1/6 turn, 1/3 turn. So this you are going to copy in classwork notebook under the head, does it look the same? Hope children you have understood this lesson. Now in the next video we will see lesson number 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. Okay children, till then bye, have a nice time.